last big hurdle to deal with is insurance. Now, this video is designed to give you some practical information on how to help choose the right insurance coverage. Let's start with a couple basic terms to get a general understanding on why insurance fits into the picture of financial wellness we've painted so far. Now, insurance is a means of protection for your assets, whether fiscal or physical. Car insurance can protect you and your vehicle from damage or lawsuits if you're involved in an accident. Homeowners insurance may help protect your home from damage or a lawsuit should someone get injured on your property. Disability insurance may help protect your personal income if you're unable to work, while life insurance may help protect your loved ones from the loss of your income or any outstanding debts. Have you noticed a theme with insurance? It's either protecting something you have or protecting you from a potentially harmful situation like a lawsuit. Insurance employs risk management to help provide reasonable coverage at a reasonable cost. This is largely done by underwriting. Underwriting is the process of assessing your likelihood of filing a claim and charging you an appropriate amount of money to offer coverage. Underwriting has several forms, from medical underwriting to financial underwriting. Car insurance or renter's insurance would check your credit score as a means of seeing what kind of risk you might be, while disability or life insurance would utilize medical underwriting as a means to see how healthy you are. The principle being that the healthier you are, both financially and medically, the more dollars you can keep in your pocket. Let's look at how guaranteed issue and simplified issue can work to your benefit. Guaranteed issue means you have the right to buy coverage without a medical exam, and any past or present medical conditions won't impact your eligibility. Simplified issue will often require an application to determine eligibility, and there may be additional underwriting needed in order to issue coverage. How does this help you, the consumer? For a full medical underwriting process, you may be required to submit a physical, paramedical exam, provide a blood or urine sample, or submit a attending physician statement to verify your health status. Guaranteed issue and simplified issue often bypass all of those requirements. Many associations and member associations use guaranteed or simplified issue coverage for their members. This is done as a member benefit to give you access to the coverage you need at an affordable rate. We've identified the underwriting avenues you can explore when shopping for coverage. But let's look at something that can directly affect the premiums you may have to pay for coverage before you even select your benefit amount. And depending on you and the type of policy you're purchasing, picking a policy that is group coverage or individual coverage may have a direct impact on the cost. Many large employers will employ a group coverage policy for many of the employee benefits offered. The principle behind group coverage is to leverage the collective claims experience and buying power of a group of people to have lower costs across the board. For things like life insurance or disability insurance, this practice is very consumer-friendly. Individual coverage means the rates are solely based on the applicant and his or her financial or medical status. For an applicant who may have even minor health conditions that wants to obtain disability insurance, premiums could be higher under an individual coverage than under a group coverage. Everyone has different insurance needs. Part of the insurance selection process is understanding what you need, what is available to you, say through your employer or member association, and where your risk or exposure lies. The Council for Disability Awareness did a long-term disability claims review in 2014, which found that fewer workers were insured by long-term disability plans. When you have an opportunity for coverage, it's important to seriously consider buying a policy as part of your financial portfolio. Financial wellness is all about consistency, and insurance can be a key component to help you maintain that consistency. Finding options like guaranteed issue group coverage or simplified issue group coverage can help ultimately save you in the end. Join me in the next video where we look at some specifics about life and disability insurance. An old adage says that what you don't know can't hurt you. We'll look at some surprising facts that might change your mind. Find out how you can better protect yourself and your long-term financial viability.